We will open the Power BI file, and we will perform exercise 2. In exercise 2, we will see how to create a measure table, how to create a new measure, and we'll work on formatting the measures. As creating a measure table, how to create a measure table in Power BI Desktop. You need to open the Power BI Desktop, and in the home menu, you will find enter data and give the name. So this is a measure table. I am giving the name as measure table. Click on load, and in data pane, you will find the measure table displayed. Now we will see how to create a new measure. We need to create two measures, quantity and sales. So in measure table, you need to select new measure, and as quantity is equal to sum of. So from sales table, we will select this quantity, close the bracket, enter, and you will see in the data pane the quantity is displayed. And again, under the new measure table, you need to click these three dots, click new measure, and our next measure is sales is equal to sum of sales of total sales, close the bracket, hit enter, and you will see sales is displayed. The calculator symbol states that this is a measure. Next, we have created measure table and new measure. Now we will replace tables in values and replace the quantity column in the matrix with the measures quantity and sales. So in this, we are replacing this sum of quantity column. So select this table matrix and then remove the sum of quantity, and you can drag and drop quantity and sales. In quantity, you can see the total is 1339 and there is no comma after 1. So 1 comma 339, we need to achieve this. So for that, we are calling it as formatting the measures. So you need to select the measure, and in menu measure tool displayed. So selecting the quantity measure, and you can see the measure tool is displayed. And for this quantity, we will use the comma as thousand separator. So we will select the comma, and you can see in total 1 comma 339 result is achieved. And for sales, we will be selecting the dollar. So selecting the sales measure first, and after that format is equal to currency, and then use the dollar as English United States. So the dollar is displayed. Next, in the use in the format measures, so we are setting the data category for the image product and image club. So expand the product and select the image club, and we are selecting the data category as image URL, and in the image product also we are setting the image URL. By default it is set as uncategorized. And now we will add this image club to the matrix and image product also. Now you can see both are added, and now we will change this matrix to table, and we will see in format table we have set the data category, as well as we have added image product to the matrix, as well as we have added image club also, and we have changed the matrix to table. So under the build pane we have used the table visual, and now we need to set ordering of columns. So as we have said, we need to set this ordering. So under visualization, under columns, you can see these are the ordering of columns in present state. Now we will change the ordering. So I will add image club, image product, then image club. Next is quantity sales product. I will make product as third, and now you can see product quantity sales. So we have achieved this result, and in the data pane you can see in the view you can check bookmark. So bookmark will be displayed here. Selection is displayed. If you unable to see these features under the view and unable to load it here, then you need to go to the file menu of file option, and in that options and settings and options, under the options you need to go to the preview features. You can enable all of these features, and for this our view panes like data performance analyzer, so you need to check the on object interaction as checked and then click OK. So it require a restart, and I'm saving the file. Save file.